Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel Ultimate Home Tutor. Today we'll discuss about basic commands in SQLs. Okay, so basic commands in SQLs are categorized into different type like DDL commands, DML command, DCL command, TCL command, DQL command. So we'll discuss in detail about this command in one by one. So today we'll discuss about DDL command. DDL means what? Data definition language commands are there. They are basically used to define. They are basically used to define database. Okay, basic use of that DDL is data definition. Firstly, you have to just define the data definition. For that purpose, we use it. Okay, or we can call description of database. For that purpose, we use it. Okay, so basic of this DDL commands are this one. Okay. Next, we'll discuss about a DDL command have a different type like create command is there, drop command is there, alter command is there, commit command is there, rename command is there. As the name suggests, they are all are used to what define database or definition purpose or defining purpose we are using it. Okay. So today we'll discuss about create, drop, truncate commands, and next session we'll discuss about alter command, then commit, and then rename. Okay, so we'll go now. Firstly, we'll discuss about create command basically used for different purposes like to create database, okay, to create tables, to create index. Okay, all these are created with the help of uh, uh, create command. Okay, so we'll use firstly create a database in uh, database command with the help of database. So firstly we'll go and create a new database in our so new this is my local host. So just you have to install XAMPP and then start with this. So I'm just clicking on new and then click on SQL. So we can basically for creation in phpMyAdmin there is one link also there, like you can directly type here name of the database and just create and click on the create button. You directly create the database. Otherwise you use a create database command. Okay, just create database whatever name you have to give it. Okay, I'm just giving test demo. Okay, and each and every syntax of SQL must be in with the semicolon. So just put it this semicolon and then press on go. So it will create a new database. Okay, so a new database is created. MySQL return an empty array. Okay, this is a we called a new database here created. Just look at here. Demo test is there now. Just refresh it. Okay, then again we use one command show database. Just here only show databases. Just use it show databases. Just add s only. Okay, so here our database yeah, this is our database. This all are the database just created. There's AAC, then Arsha, then cricket info, then customer, then this our database like a test demo we are just created right now. Test demo, test underscore demo we created. Okay, so this we called database creation commands. How we can use this show command to create and to create database. We use create database command and then This make sure you have firstly you have admin privilege for creating database. Once your database created, you can list the database and you can show with the help of show databases command. Okay, then we'll discuss about create table command. Create table command is also very important. In that, firstly we'll move to our database test demo. Where is test test demo database is there, no? This is our test demo command. This is okay. This we called uh, we use drop command. Drop database. Okay, sorry, database base test underscore, okay, test underscore demo. Okay, we'll just go and use drop command to okay. Show, I think so. Database is means what? Drop command we are use here to drop the database. So database in test will be deleted. Okay, there is no database in test. Then we'll create again a new database like SQL command here. Test demo is there. No database is selected, so just structure new. Okay, and we'll go here and then type. Okay, so I am here creating again database. Create database. So database. Uh, Test demo demo 1. Okay, I'm just creating demo 1 database is here. Demo database is here. So here database is created. Just refresh it. Here test demo 1 is created here. Okay, then we'll create a database in test demo 1. Create database. Create table. We'll use the creating tables table. And we'll give name as a student, and then you have to just enter the fields that we call columns names in database. So that name should be like we will use here like student ID. Okay, student ID will give backup varchar id I capital then space varchar, and the value of varchar will be 20. Okay, id is there. We can also declare with the it will integer also, int also we can declare. So whatever you want to declare, int or varchar, what you want to do it. Then we'll use student underscore name. Okay, this will declare as varchar, and will give 20 as a value. Then we'll also declare uh, student student underscore address. Okay, add, uh, will declare again where char value of this is 30. Okay, so this is our table. Let's end with this and execute our command. So let's do it. So here a student table is created. Okay, it having student ID, student name, student address, three field is there. So you know about how to create a database in PHP MyAdmin. Then we use uh, another command that we are discussing here. Create database is done, like we can use integer data. Okay, then date types of column we use it. Okay, then again we can create a copy of one table to another. Means what, if you want to already create a table and you want a copy of that table, then we can also use the create command to copy that table. So what the syntax for that: create a new table, name, new table. Okay, new table name, then we use as keyword, then select column, which column we want to include in new table, that from existing tables. So that select column 1, column 2 from existing table name where condition is there. Okay, so we'll look in that and then try to create a new table for that. Okay, so it is very simple command, so we'll do it and just copying the data from this same tables like student, and I'm here, then again create table and just creating tables. So create table, we again use like. Okay, we okay, sorry for that. We can use create a table and just copying a table with create table copy of student, like student we use it, like keyword we use it. So that our table is created and copy of student table is created here, like student ID from student we are declaring. Then look at here, this is copy of student having then look at here, so copy student and student having the same column name. Okay, student ID, copy student from copy student, and the student has the same. We use a like command for creating that. So again I am showing you how to use it. Create copy, whatever, create table. The table name will be student 1. Just like what table you want to like it, like uh, student. Okay, then semicolon. This we called the copying the table of one data from one or creating a structure of one table and copying to another table. This we use it like command to do it. Okay, uh, so just we use a next command that we call a drop command. As we are discussing here, a create command is done here. Then again we use a drop table command to drop our tables. So drop table statement is used to drop existing table in database. So it is totally drop, means what, they are deleted from the table, or they are not, means drop table means what, we are dropping it, we are not using it, and so be careful when you are dropping the table, because all data is lost in this command. So just write here drop table and the table name, whatever you want to do it. Copy student, we are just dropping it. Okay, so just do it, whatever you want to. Do you want to really execute a drop table? Okay, yes. Okay, so our table is drop here, only student table is remaining. Okay, just I will also show you again. This I'm using a drop command again here. Drop, I'm just dropping the student table, so you will get understand table, drop table, student. Okay, just select student table and then semicolon, and then just execute this command. So it again showing you a message that do you really want to execute drop table student? Yes. So here our table will be deleted from test demo. Okay, from test demo database our table is removed. We cannot revoke that tables, or we cannot back it table, because all data in table with table structure, all this will be deleted from the database. So this is all about create command and drop table command. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like it. Okay, it requires so much of hard works to create such type of video, so please like it and share to require person you know about. Okay, thank you, we'll meet in next lecture.